This message is not for Biafrans alone, and it's for Biafrans. It's for all Nigeria. I think CBN, Nigerian Bank, is stealing. I think this CBN, I think the governor of CBN, all of them are criminals. And even if the person who is our leader, all of them are criminals. The Nigerian mineral resources you people, Biafra resources you people are stealing is not enough for you people. Now to be stealing all business people who have never benefit anything from Nigerian government. It's not good road, it's not good hospital, it's not good pipe water, it's not good road, it's not even good atmosphere we are breathing. Nobody have get anything from Nigerian government. Now I struggle to import my goods, pay my duty, pay everything in the port, everything. Struggle to bring that goods in Onitsha or in Aba, and to after selling, pay the rent for shop. Now after the little profit I will get, CBN will take it. Let thunder kill all of you people there. And you people are going to make people will keeping money in the house. I'm sorry for some banks, because of banks is going to lose, because of many people are going to be ready. They're going to, even if starting giving their money, because I don't think I will struggle. Some people, some transaction they're making in a day, maybe their business partners in Abuja or Port Harcourt will be maybe transferring 500,000. Now you are telling us that every 500,000, maybe in a month they transfer 500,000, 1 million every month. You collect 15,000. Let me just say the profit the person get to struggle to transport that goods from Japan or from China or from Europe, and pay all the duties from Lagos now to East. Now bank CBN, Lord Thunder kill all this APC government. Thunder kill all of you people. You people are criminals. You people are criminals. We are talking about blockade you people give us in the southeast, and we are talking about the 20 pounds you people give all our father. My grandfather lose billions from the Nigerian bank after Biafra war. My father lose, and now the little one I'm getting, my father couldn't benefit from anything from government. All the people who have already retired in Nigeria. I was watching one Nigerian military man is complained that they have never paid them pension and paid them, and this is the federal government to pay them and guarantee it. And now my father couldn't benefit anything from government. Me, the one I struggle without getting anything from Nigerian government, the health care, good road, and the government is stealing from me. You people should be careful. This country need to divide. Let everybody go his own father's tent. We don't believe in this Nigeria again. I am not proud to say I'm a Nigeria. You people should stop stealing our money. You Central Bank, you CBN. Criminals. We are to PDP. I don't know that this one, you people are dangerous than Anene. You people, this government is dangerous than even Satan. It's better to eat with Satan than eating with this APC. Why you people are very wicked? Eh? The money you are getting from that resources you are getting from Biafra land in the Nigeria is not enough to steal all Nigerians now. You people just want to sweep everybody before your tenure will finish. Which kind of policy is this? Somebody will keep money in their bank, put in money you take, withdraw you take. Criminal. Look at how people put us in the debt all over the world, in the China, in Europe. Or Nigeria is going to China, Japan to go and take loan, begging Japan to come and invest. How can Japan will come to Nigeria invest when Nigeria doesn't have a future? We are discouraging all European companies, no company in the world to go to Nigeria and invest. Your money is not secured, and there is no law there. Release Showore, and the Nigerian, because of the law, is not we doesn't obey the law. Let the world should not go to Nigeria and invest. We are not obeying the law. We are not obeying the law. This Fulanis who is ruling Nigeria doesn't obey the law because of the religion said you should not obey. I can sign contract with you in future. You can violate that contract. Muhammad do the same thing in Mecca. So they doesn't understand what is law. They doesn't obey law. Really show a problem. Nothing. If they are talking about the Shore insulted, who is their president? I will not insult. Trump, is he not America? The best, the giant, the world president. Their people are insulting him. You are there who have never achieved, who have not contributed anything in my life. If I insulted you, we are talking about you are in democracy. You are saying I insulted you. Who are you? I will not insult you. I will not insult you. Who are you? I will not insult you. Who are you? Which president of my foot? I will not insult you. I will insult you since you want to practice the democracy. If you don't want, go out from that seat. I will insult you. I have the right to insult you. Freedom of speech. UCB and people should stop making this law. Moreover, many people is not ready to put money in the bank again now. You people see, criminal will be everywhere. You people want to cause violence in Nigeria because of when people is afraid to go to bank. Now all the criminals will be knowing that people always have keep money in their home. Now armed robbers will come start disturbing people in the house. What do you people mean, self? When the world are going ahead, you people are going back. Criminal APC. All the leaders in the APC is criminal. The money Abacha loot, you people bring, they return back to Nigeria. What did you people use it? You people use baby's vice president. I don't know how a vice president would degrade himself going to the market sharing money. Now they have labeled you that you have steal and you have embezzle money. Go and face it. And Shore, you caused this thing by yourself. You was criticizing Goodluck, one of the best presidents we have after Yaradua. After Yaradua, who have brain, because Yaradua is an educated man. It's Goodluck is one of the best presidents we have there. Shore, you go and you use your media and your platform destroy Goodluck, Jonathan. Face it. Buhari is a dictator, and Buhari is not going to allow you for you to use your media to destroy him. Use your media to destroy Goodluck. Use that your media to bail yourself. You know, Buhari doesn't obey rule of law. Buhari doesn't obey law. He don't know about what means. He doesn't understand what is democracy. Because of this Buhari, my junior sister don't give her any money again. Why? She was supporting Buhari. Now, she finished school. She's getting to 3 years now, or 4 years. She couldn't get a job. I said, go to Buhari and get a job. Go to Buhari and get a job. Go to Buhari and beg your money. He was saying, she was advocating about Buhari, talking about Buhari. My junior sister, my own direct junior sister, the one I senior direct. Now, she's no job. I said, go to Buhari and get that job. I'm not going to give you 1 naira. All of you people who voted Buhari who said, nobody I'm going to buy even if 1 bottle of beer. Go to Buhari and get that your money from there.